Hi, this is Sharan and this is Simon from ATSU. We both did research on the comparative cytotoxic effects of DMSO and ethanol on ARPE19 cells. So first, let's go over some background details. Age-related macular degeneration is a disease that affects the advancing age and the retina macula, and the prognosis of this disease targets the retinal pigmented epithelium, and this epithelium, when it's disrupted, is linked to cause diseases such as glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, and as well as AMD.
Commonly, ethanol and dimethyl sulfoxide, or DMCO for short, are used as vehicle controls in this culture. However, there is some disagreement in research on how particularly these compounds affect cells, whether they are cytoprotective or cytotoxic, and we are trying to explore this by using various dosages in order to check how they would affect the mechanism of AMD.
We used MTD assay protocol for culturing these cells into 3 plates and a microscope to evaluate the morphology of the dosages at 1.5, 0.25, 0.1 percentages for both DMSO and ethanol. And as you can see in the figures 3, 4, and 5 dosages, there are strongest and the weakest 1 and 0.1% for both DMSO and ethanol don't show any cell growth or cell death, and only in our ethanol percentages cell viability data there's a significant cell growth at 0.1%.
In conclusion, we primarily have found that ARP19 cells do not show any abnormal morphology at any particular concentration and are both cytoneutral except for the previously mentioned 0.125%. So for future directions, we are going to extend our incubations past the 48-hour mark and using lower concentrations than 1.25 ethanol. Thank you.
Thank you.